Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use Kraken's market order feature in 2025. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. The first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Kraken account using your email address and your password, and then just navigate to the trading page. So once you're logged into Kraken, you want to click on the trade tab, and that's going to take you to the trading page. Now there you can select the market that you wish to trade, such as BTC to EUR, or it could be Ethereum to US dollars, whatever it is. Just go ahead and select the market, and then you're going to enter the amount of cryptocurrency that you wish to buy or sell. Once you've selected that, once you've entered that amount, you're going to select the market order option by simply clicking on the market button. So you're going to see a market button once you enter the amounts, and you can click on that market button to take you to the market order option. And there you just confirm the order by clicking on the buy or sell button, which depends on which one you're doing. So just click on that to confirm the order, and then just wait for the order to be executed by Kraken. And you can verify that by checking your Kraken's account balance and transaction history. And if it's successful, go ahead and withdraw your funds to your bank account or to your cryptocurrency wallet. That's pretty much it on how to use Kraken's market order feature in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.